Hi guys, how y'all doing? I am craving some spam, y'all. I have some leftover rice, multi-grain rice from a Korean market. So excited. Spam, fried rice with some shredded seaweed and some fried egg on top. I am super hungry. Cheers. Oh my god. Egg yolk. Just love spam. It's cheap, it's tasty, it's flavorful, so good. Recommend getting the reduced sodium or the turkey ones. Those are lower in fat and also lower in sodium. So you actually want to use the regular spam, then don't mean to add any salt at all because it's very, very, very salty. I got this from the Korean market, the shredded seaweed. So simple, so quick and easy. Perfect weeknight meal. I'm not kidding y'all, you have to try it. All you need is rice, spam, and egg. All the other stuff are just bonus. Man, so good, delicious.